welcome to Open the Box. And here we're going to take a look at whatever the this thing is here. I mean, you know, it's a zapper, but to most people, the zapper looks like this or like this. But we're going to take a look at this right here. This is the FC Super Loader Gun from Hyperkin, compatible with NES system. Cool. Yep. Pretty straightforward looking packaging right here. FC. Is FC supposed to stand for Family Computer? I guess. Or is it like CM Punk, where it actually is not supposed to really stand for anything, from what I heard. If anybody knows the answer to that, let me know. Yeah, but in here has a diagram. See? You pull this, or push this. This is the trigger. You connect this into the game console, and this is gun. I don't see this piece. Where is that piece? Right here. It's probably tangled up in all this here. Let me get a closer look at it. Warning. Before connect... shouldn't be connecting. Or before you connect. Okay, but before connect FC Super Loader Gun to console, please turn off console first. Okay, good advice. Got an item number here and some other stuff there. Yeah. Really, really cool here. You know, my initial impression when I saw this thing was I thought that the color looked pretty cool, and I thought it was identical to the other zapper until I started to use it and compare it to the real zappers here. Then my impression of this thing went down a little bit, though. And don't get me wrong, this is still a perfectly functional thing, and it's good if you want to get something new, because this thing doesn't even cost that much. But let me see. First of all, the clicking sound. Let's take a listen. Let's take a listen to this. Feels more substantial. This thing feels just a wee bit heavier. This thing feels very light. Feels like very cheap plastic. Also, the trigger is thinner.
That does not compute.
Also, the gun is smaller. Let's take a look here and compare the two. The cord is a lot thicker. This is really thin. This is almost like telephone cord. Try to line these up here. Yeah, this part's a little bit bigger. I got these things lined up here. This feels thinner, a little more sleeker, I guess, or whatever. But this is more rounded, more beefier. Looks like this has similar molding to this, but they did it smaller. They took it and shrunk it down a little bit. They took that and a little bit. Let's see here. Both have the same cord. This one gives you a fair amount of cable. I think it's substantially much less than the zapper, because I guess they don't want kids sitting too close to it. But the generation that made this knows better. Yeah, here. And then, well, yeah. These two zappers are identical, just different colors. Black trigger, red trigger, silver thing. Yeah, like there's a lot of guns out there with white and with this gray trim thing or whatever, you know. Yeah. Pretty interesting, to say the least. But yeah. If you could find one of those that works, if you could find a regular zapper that works, I probably would prefer recommending one of these. But this, it's not bad, and for a couple of bucks, I mean, you get what you pay for. Search online, you can find them very easily. I found it on Amazon, eBay. I forget which one I bought it from. But, yep, the FC Super Loader Gun from Hyperkin. Not too much to say, but it's cool. So, go ahead. Play some gumshoe or something with this. Alright. Well, I'll catch you next time.